Egg mask also helps to fade wrinkles. Vitamin B in egg white helps to whiten skin effectively. When combining egg whites with other ingredients such as honey, turmeric, fresh lemon, will create a wonderful mixture, helping to firm and youthful skin. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY glycolic acid. You will need 1 teaspoon of egg white. Egg whites can help tighten and firm. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg whites help close pores and get rid of buildup. And if your skin is oily, egg whites are said to clarify pores and hair follicles that make too much sebum. Egg white masks are also super versatile. Organic honey, half teaspoon. It draws moisture from the air and binds it to the skin. This added hydration gives the skin a fresh, youthful glow and suppleness, making fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Apply all over your face and neck. Wash it off with plain water.